Today we are going to be doing this gorgeous hairstyle together. We are going to take it from this into this masterpiece. Now get your combs, get your spray, and get your sectioning clip. We are going to be styling. I'm going to do the ponytail at the back, so make sure that the ponytail is well combed. I'm just going to take my band and just wrap the ponytail into place. Now that the ponytail is done, I'm just going to do this new technique that maybe most of you have been seeing on Instagram. I'm going to do it on a side part in this video today. So we are going to crisscross it, okay? So just take the hair the way I'm taking it now. It doesn't need to be like straight, but just don't let the hair to be too much. So now that you've seen what we are doing now, I'm just going to do this all over the hair to the back. So just take the hair, like crisscross, take it straight, cross it, that's it. If we are just meeting for the first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris Bex, a bridal hairstylist in London, and I do these videos for you to learn. If you're a hairstylist, you want to learn how to make hair, you are at the right channel. And if you want to take it a step further, this week we just launched our membership site this week. Now there's no excuse, everyone can learn how to style now because there is different plan for everyone. I'm going to be doing another video to explain more about it because I know a lot of you have been contacting me. You want to join my membership. Now there's a chance for you to join. Comb it into your hand and flip it. Don't worry, just make sure that everything is smooth. Just flip it in your hand. When you flip it in your hand, get your hairspray and spray. You see the way I'm doing now? I'm just using the tip of my finger. Sometimes I can use the comb to just kind of align it because I want that place to kind of a little bit define. So use your hand, use your finger, and just define it into place so that when people see it from afar, it looks so beautiful and they are thinking, how did she do it? So the same side, just take the other side like that. I'm just going to take it, hold it, okay? I'm just going to use my hand to move it. So put the spray close to you, just like what I'm doing now. I'm just kind of arranging it because we want it to look dramatic. So put your spray on it, and when you're set, just pin it into place. Get your band. So I'm just going to get my band and I'm just going to wrap that back. Just wrap it together. So just wrap it together so that everything can join because I'm going to be doing a bun. I'm going to be doing a beautiful bun at the back. I'm just going to take some hair. This part is not that necessary because I didn't know I'm going to do the style I end up doing. So if you're doing this exact style, you don't really need to. Don't bother with this step. This was unnecessary for this hairstyle because you see what we are going to do to the side. Everything is going to cover. So just put a bowl at the back, your padding, and just secure it. So if you don't know how to make your padding, I have a video on our website. You can go there and check and see how you can make different type of padding. All the link will be in the description. The link to our website, the link to a special gift I have for you is in the description below. Now I'm just going to just make sure that this part is well covered, because we just want to cover the bun. We don't want it showing, so that's why it's better to use the same color as the hair. So get your spray. I'm just going to fix it. So these normally take a while, but just fix it, make sure everything looks good. If you do this all the time, you're not going to take too much time fixing it. I'm just going to pin it into place like what I'm doing now. So when everything is pinned, we are going to go to the front. So now we have done the back. I'm just going to comb this into my hand like what I'm doing now. I'm just going to make sure it's well combed. I'm going to take the hair section by section, and I'm just going to twirl it. So this is what I do sometimes. I just want you to be able to see what we do properly. So now I'm just going to comb it again and just wrap it into place. I'm going to get some of the bobby pin and pin it. I'm going to do the other side. So with this method now, we are going to cover the back. So if the band is showing, this is another way of just making sure that we cover the back. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel and you are a hairstylist, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. So get your spray and just spray it into place, and use your pin. Okay, use your pin. Your pin will help you a lot. I'm going to take the last one now, which I am going to just comb to the back. So you can see I'm standing at the back. I'm just going to comb this to the back. So decide to take it two. So you can take it one, depending if you want to have a lot of row. So this one I just decided, let me make it a little bit, let it come down a little bit. So I'm just using my pin to just hold it in place, and use your sectioning clip as well. With that makes sure that everything is going to the same direction. I'm going to take the last one now, and I'm going to just wrap it. Okay, just wrap it into my hand. We've done a lot of this technique now. I know a lot of you know it right now, so I'm just using it kind of to just disguise, to just cover that back. So if your band is showing, that is a good way to cover it. This is it. I'm just going to spray and just fix that front. This is a beautiful hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section if you like this hairstyle and if you want to redo this hairstyle. So get any accessory of your choice and just pop it into place. If you've watched this video up to this time, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like. And if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe and be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with